Okay, today we are talking about how to install a programmable thermostat and thermostat guard. So specifically, we're going to be installing a Honeywell RTH2300B programmable thermostat and a Honeywell CG511A Thermostat guard or cover. And we're going to be installing new thermostat wire. This is 18.5. It's a 50-foot roll. You can buy all these items at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, eBay, etc. Not much left of this electrical schematic. So our very first step is always turn off the power first, and then verify that the power is indeed off with a meter or non-contact voltage tester like this. Here's our old thermostat wire. You can see where it connects here to the board inside the air handler. Here's our new thermostat. We'll need to install the AAA batteries in this new thermostat. Batteries go there. Here's where you connect your thermostat wires. The terminals are labeled, what color goes where. Make sure this switch is in the proper position depending on what type of system you have, gas, oil, electric, heat pump, etc. Comes with mounting hardware. So the first step is to determine the location of the thermostat on your wall. Should go on an interior wall, out of direct sunlight, away from windows, away from HVAC supply registers. You can see I have the hole pre-drilled for the thermostat wire to come through. Know what's in your wall before you drill. And you can see I've marked the 4 holes for the location for the cover. Let's install the thermostat batteries.
Woo!
Now we'll go through the programming steps. This comes with instructions, or you can follow along on this video. It's fairly easy. You set the time first, then the day. Now we'll go through and set the programming for each day that you want the system to come on and off. Now we'll demonstrate how to connect your thermostat wires to the back of your thermostat. You'll need some wire strippers like these. And again, the thermostat is color-coded, so the wires are color-coded. You match them up. For this system, we're not using the blue wire or the common, so that's why I'm spinning it around here to be spare. You simply strip off about 1/4 inch or so of the jacketing, like so, and then red to red, white to white, green to green. You'll need a thin blade flathead screwdriver like this for the small screw terminals. So in this example, normally this would be mounted to the wall already. But again, this is an example I'm showing you. Remember to push the thermostat wires through the back of your thermostat, like so, before you start connecting your wires. So again, if you have a heat pump, your wire configuration may be a little bit different. It's always a good idea to take a picture of the existing wires on your old thermostat before you disconnect anything or replace it with a new thermostat. Be careful tucking the wires in so they don't get pinched. Then gently line up the cover. It should snap into place easily. If it does not, don't force it. Make sure you take time to align it properly. And that's it. Your thermostat is programmed. Should be screwed to the wall at this point. Congratulations. Here's a finished product with the guard in place. To install the guard, it's self-explanatory. You simply install the 4 drywall anchors. Drive your screws into the anchors through the plastic guard. The guard has a lock and key. The front cover simply attaches to the plastic guard base, and then you lock the lock with the key. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.